you ever wondered why time sometimes flies when you are having fun but crawls when you are bored? Or how a tiny little clock on the wall keeps ticking the same way all day long? Today we are going to uncover the mystery of time. Let's start with clocks. A clock is not just a box with hands. It's a machine that measures time. Seconds, minutes, hours and even days. Clocks can be mechanical, digital or even atomic. Yes, atomic clocks are also accurate that they lose only 1 second in millions of years. Isn't that amazing? But why do clocks work the way they do? Long ago, people used sundials where shadows told the time. Then came water clocks, which measured time by the flow of water. Eventually, gears, pendulums and springs were invented to make mechanical clocks. And now we have smart digital clocks that even tell us the weather. Now here is a curious thing. Have you noticed that time sometimes feels different? When you're playing your favorite game, a whole hour can feel like 5 minutes. But waiting for a school bus, those 5 minutes can feel like eternity. That's not magic. It's because our brain experiences time based on attention and emotion. When we are focused or excited, our brain processes so much information that it feels like time went by quickly. When we are bored, our brain notices every little second and it feels like time is dragging. Now let's travel back in history. Did you know that humans didn't always measure time in hours and minutes? Thousands of years ago, people followed the sun, the moon and the seasons. Farmers knew it was time to plant or harvest based on the position of the sun. That's how calendars were born. The first calendars were based on the moon. That's why we call some months lunar months. Later the Egyptians created a calendar with 365 days. And then the Romans refined it into the calendar we mostly use today, the Gregorian calendar. So every time you check your calendar, you're actually using a system thousands of years in making. Isn't that fascinating? But wait, there's more. Have you heard of time zones? Why is it morning in India but midnight in America? The earth is round and it spins. So when the sun shines on one part of the earth, it's daytime and night somewhere else. That's why the world is divided into 24 time zones, each one representing 1 hour. And there's a fun trick. Do you know why sometimes when we travel fast in an aeroplane, our watches seem a tiny bit off? That's because of Einstein's theory of relativity. Time can actually move a little differently depending on speed and gravity. Mind-blowing, right? But the most important thing about time is this. Time doesn't stop for anyone. You can't pause it, rewind it or fast forward it like a video. That's why every second counts. Whether it's learning something new, playing with friends, helping someone or reading a book. Every moment is valuable. So friends, here's what we learned today. Time can be measured by clocks, sundials and calendars. Time can feel fast or slow depending on what you're doing. Humans created calendars and time zones to organize life. Time is constant, unstoppable and precious. Next time you look at a clock, a calendar or even your phone, remember, time is a mystery and a magic we live with every day. Use it wisely, enjoy every moment and keep exploring the world around you. I hope you liked the video. For more such amazing stories and fun science, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Signing off, Page Pulse Belly. See you next time.